senior counsel is talking of harassment outside, but what I have heard partly it is caused by your people. No. That one I'm going to handle. I will talk to the security people. That one will be handled. But once we organize ourselves, because we want to know, yes, you are talking of lawyers, we are seeing them. But now, how can I know that this one is from this firm, this one is as what? How can I know? This is the process. Mr. Chairman. If you are not ready to follow the Bible, then you be there like any other person, or even you don't come here.
Mr. Chairman, I wanted to address that issue. First of all, we already on record. The list was submitted. And indeed, you captured all the particulars of these advocates, their names, their law firms, and every aspect.
What did we agree on last time?
Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to explain, Mr. Chairman.
Do you have papers?
Can I explain, Mr. Chairman? What do you think what happens? Because the stringent rules he's reading, the judge advocate, would require that the accused person append their signature on the instruction. And we have attempted to access them in Luzira to process that in vain. Today, if I may tell you, Mr. Chairman, you can ask and cross-check with the prisons authorities if it is possible for anyone to access Dr. Ageesigika and obey the judge. If you visited the Luzira maximum prison, the only way you can talk to them is through a landline, a phone. They are at a distance, so how are they going to sign on those instructions? If you insist on that, it will be a perversion of justice. You'll be perverting justice, Mr. Chairman, because it's not going to practically happen unless you are saying that we do it right now, that we prepare a paper, the list is here, we can present it to them, they sign, we find it. If that can do, if it can suffice, we are ready to comply with that. But if we are to access them in Luzira, to sign instructions, that is not going to happen. The last thing, Mr. Chairman, he's insisting on pieces being filed with him. We are in a grace period of 3 months. 3 months. Right now, I have a right to practice without a renewed PC. Right now, until 1st March. So we are in January. We have all this grace period to process the practice certificate. I thought as the advisor of this course, shouldn't even have raised this now. That is raising such a matter when he's supposed to be the senior advisor to this General Court Martial.
I know if your grace period is there, you must come with the preceding certificate. It's what we want. Not expired. We want that one.
You want an expired one?
Showing that you are practicing. Yes, the one which shows that you are practicing, but you are waiting to renew.
The only lawyer who has a 2025 PC now is Martha Karua. In Uganda. The whole of Uganda is only Martha Karua right now. That one is expired. We want it.
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman.
You see, I am mandated by law.
Mr. Chairman.
I don't think that you have practiced law more than me. So when I want the practicing certificate of the preceding year, it shows that you are waiting to renew. Why don't you want to bring it?
Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, for the record,
others have filed it. Why did they file and you have not filed?
I am Moses Abus, Mr. Chairman, for the record.
Please, if you are not among the three, I would like to hear from Mr. Terefayina.
Mr. Chairman, Mr. Chairman, from the mouth of Colonel Dr. Ageesigika,
He has somebody sitting in for him. Is that allowed? Yes, from his law firm, he's here.